Welcome back to Rocky Mountain Gardens. My name is Mary, just in case you're new here for the first time. Today we are moving outdoors because it is time for me to move into the fall season, and I would love my porch to be welcoming with an autumn theme for all of my friends and family. So come along with me outdoors. We have had such a growth of the number of spiders in our whole area. Everyone has been noticing it, and consequently just spider webs were everywhere. So I'm using my broom to try to remove those spider webs, and they're very sticky and they make the leaves all stick together that blow onto your porch, and ew, it was just awful. I didn't want to touch it with my fingers. So I got my broom out and worked on removing it as much as I could first before I finished up with my leaf blower, which is a great tool for getting the dirt and grime off your porch. And then next, I'm just taking some soapy water and wiping down everything because, the dust and the dirt and the grime just sort of accumulates outdoors. And I like it to be nice and clean when I am actually doing my decorating. So I'm moving on to my porch rail, as you can see, getting it all cleaned of all the grime. And this little table that I thrifted always gets very dusty, so we clean it up and then we can move on to some actual decorating. I love using these doilies outdoors from the Dollar Tree because they're so inexpensive. And then I'm adding a bowl of faux apples that I thrifted as well, and this thrifted wreath. And next, a cute little scarecrow. Scarecrows are perfect for the fall, don't you think? Now on this urn, I actually cleaned out my flowers that were growing in it because, the flowers, a lot of them are starting to look very raggedy. So I'm using a large pumpkin here to place in the urn, and then this string of ivy to just tuck around it and frame it in the urn. Next, I added this little red truck to the bottom shelf on this table in the corner of my porch. And then I'm placing this Tradescantia zebrina right there on the side of the table. Adding some fall decorations to my truck will just bring it into the season. And this red lantern is just perfect. I bought this at Walmart about 3 years ago. And here I am with a basket that I thought I could place in that bottom shelf of my table, but no, it didn't fit. So change of plans. I'm moving my red truck over to this spot, and now the basket, I believe, will fit in the bottom shelf here. This beautiful bouquet that I got at the end of season sale at Michael's, I believe, will look great with some other florals in this old tin watering can. I really enjoy mixing colors like blues and oranges in my fall decor. Back at my small table, I am placing this charger underneath the ceramic pot that you see, which has some florals and a cute little scarecrow. And then behind it, I like to add some green with the topiary. Looks cute, I think. Next, I'm taking this thrifted Afghan with the autumn colors and using it as a throw on this chair here. And I will be adding a pumpkin pillow. On this chair, I've got this cute Walmart bright colored pillow with a little birdie. Birdies in the fall. Here's another container plant that looks pretty good, you know, for this late in the season. And I'm putting it here on this crate that I had cleaned up earlier. And as you can see, it's not really blooming much anymore. Those are impatiens that you see in the front. As we look at my entire porch and all the decor, here's a great tip. If you do have a live plant, but it isn't blooming, just add some faux flowers, like these faux sunflowers that I placed in the pot and really spruced it up and made it look more fall and festive. I made this autumn wreath, I'd say 3 or 4 years ago, but I'm still using it. I really do still love it. And I just think it's perfect for that spot on my porch. And here's my inexpensive rug from Walmart for my front mat, doormat. And there's my corner, looking very cheerful. I love this salt glazed bowl that I can use in this spot because, you know, I have a covered porch, so it's easier to use indoor things outside. These wrought iron chairs that are actually rockers are quite old. I think they are from at least the 1960s. And they're so comfortable to sit on the front porch and say hi to your neighbors. Blue and red and orange, beautiful colors together. And my little corner vignette. There's my Boston fern. It's still limping along, but it looks good enough for me to leave out until the first frost. I love having live plants out when I can. And my red lantern, I added a sunflower to make sure it has some fall flavor. If you have enjoyed watching today as I clean and decorate my front porch for the autumn season, well, I invite you to come on back. I think subscribing to my channel would bring you more videos on decor, plants, gardening, and anything to do with making your home a beautiful place. A welcoming place, especially heartwarming for yourself, where you love to come home and enjoy your space. What did you like best about my autumn porch decor? Leave a comment down below. I would just love to hear from you and get some ideas if you'd like to share your own decorating style. Please do comment. And also give me a like if you enjoyed this video. And I hope to see you next Friday when we'll start on my inside home autumn decor. I can't wait to share it with you. Bye for now.